Which is the easiest fabric to print on in the dirty pot? The simple answer to this question is any fabric that is considered to be protein based. And you can think of animals as an easy way of identifying a protein based fabric. So, wool, cashmere, mohair, alpaca, silk, yak, quivet, camel hair, handmade felt, all of these are protein based fabrics or fiber. And they absorb the natural color from the eco printing in the dirty pot process very much easier, and they give more colorful results than when you work with cellulose based fabric such as cotton or linen. This doesn't mean that you can't eco print on cellulose fabric, you can. But as a new eco printer, I highly recommend that you try your first few experiments and sessions using protein based fabric, particularly wool, handmade felt, or silk, because I think you will be blown away by the results that you can achieve.